Do you participate in the stock market? If your answer is yes, this video is meant for you. Now we are approaching to the close of current year 2024. Only 2 weeks are left. So that becomes very important for stock market participants to review the performance of the top 10 stock markets world over and then project the possible target in near future, maybe in 2025. We will analyze the indices of those markets. 4 markets out of 10 are from USA. 4 markets are there from Asian continent and 2 markets are there from European continent. So I am D K Sinha. Please do not forget to like this video, subscribe the channel, hit the notification bell for updates. Let's straight away go to the price chart to review the performance and project the target for the upcoming year. Top 10 markets on the basis of market capitalization are S&P 500 from USA, Nasdaq 100, US Index, Shanghai Composite Index, China, Hang Seng Index, Hong Kong, Nikkei 225 Index from Japan, Dow Jones Industrial Average Index, US, and FTSE 100, that is the UK 100, and Euro Stocks 50. This is a European Zone Index, and Russell 2000 again from USA, representing the small cap stocks from the US stock market, and Nifty 50 and Indian Frontline Index from Indian stock market. So these are the top index that we will look into. Let us straight away go to the price chart to see the price action and to see how these indices have performed in the year 2024 till the market started on 16th of December 2024. This is S&P 500. This index in the year 2024 has given a return of 26.86%. So overall trend is extremely bullish. Now considering the breakout of this rounding pattern, if we project the next possible target of S&P 500 index, what could be the potential target? Let us project it. So next potential targets of S&P 500 comes at 6,560 level, which means from the current level, we can expect this index to give a further return of around 8%. Okay friends, let us check the trend of this index. So overall trend, this is the daily price chart. So overall trend is bullish. Market structure is higher highs and higher lows kind of market structure. So it is likely to make similar kind of structure in near future. However, the target that I have projected is the minimum expected objective based on the chart pattern. Now let us check the Nasdaq 100 index. Now this index in 2024 has given a return of 29.44% and looking very strong. Market structure is higher highs and higher lows. So what could be the potential target if we project on the basis of rounding pattern over here? So I am just projecting the target. So it can target to 27,000, which is 100% expansion of this rounding pattern breakout that has taken place over here. Let us check the trend in the daily price chart. So overall trend here too is extremely bullish. The market structure is higher highs and higher lows kind of market structure, which is likely to continue like this only in near future. Now let us check another American index, that is Dow Jones Industrial Average Index. Now this index has given a return of 16.29% in 2024. And this index is also looking quite bullish. The overall structure is bullish. Market structure is higher highs and higher lows kind of market structure. Now here what we can see is that there is a pattern. This pattern, probably the target has already been achieved. So the next potential target would be to 46,900 or 47,000. Let us check the trend in the daily price chart. Let us go to the daily price chart. So overall trend here is also bullish. The market structure is higher highs and higher lows kind of market structure. It seems that the correction is more or less over. Now let us check the Russell 2000. If we check the Russell 2000 index, in 2024, this index has given a return of 15.78%. Now there is a significant breakout in this index. Can we see here? This is a rounding pattern breakout. So this index is likely to give a phenomenal return provided there is a follow through of the last month candle of November 2024. What could be the potential target based on this recent breakout? So the next potential target could be to 2813, then 100% expansion calculates to 3183. So this index is likely to give a phenomenal return. If I calculate from the current level to the 100% expansion, it has a potential to give a return of around 33%. Now let us go and check on the daily chart the prevailing trend of the market. Now here too the trend is bullish. The market structure is higher highs and higher lows kind of market structure. EMA 21 is placed above EMA 55 and EMA 55 is placed above SMA 144. So short-term trend, intermediate trend, long-term trend, all kinds of trend are bullish. Now we have covered the US stock market. Now let us check the Asian stock market, and we will first check the Japanese stock market, Nikkei 225 index. Now this index in 2024 has given a return of 18.85%. Now here there is a consolidation from several months, and there is a breakout of a bullish flag kind of structure. So if we take the reference of this bullish flag and project the target on the basis of the breakout of the bullish flag, the next potential target could be to 45,000, and then it has a potential to go to 100% expansion level, which calculates at around 50,200 level. So this index, Japanese market is also looking quite bullish, and if I calculate the return considering the 100% expansion target would get achieved, then it has a potential to give a return of 25-26%. Now let us check the trend, do the trend analysis on Nikkei 225. Here we can see the price in the recent time is range bound. So the sideways movement is there, but overall trend is bullish because the price is trading above all critical moving averages, short-term moving averages and long-term moving averages. And market structure is broadly higher highs and higher lows kind of market structure. Now let us check the Chinese market, Shanghai Composite Index. So this index in 2024 has given a return of 14.29%. But this index is struggling, and there is a range bound movement in this index. Although it attempted here to give a breakout but finally failed. So if a breakout takes place, then probably if it starts trading above 3,675 level, then only we can project the proper target, and then the target would be to 4,300 and then 4,800. So this index from the current level, presuming that this breakout will take place, is likely to give a return of 28%, and if it achieves the 100% expansion, then potential return could be 42%. Now let us check the trend of this particular index, Shanghai Composite Index. So the trend is bullish. There was a massive impulsive wave, then the correction took place, and now the market structure is higher highs and higher lows. So overall trend is bullish even in the Chinese market. Let us check the Hong Kong market. This is the price chart of Hang Seng Index. So this index in 2024 has given a return of 17.15%. The structure seems to be quite similar to Chinese market. it is having a sideways movement. Immediate resistance is at around 22,500. But if this is taken out, then we can project the next potential target could be to 28,150 and then 32,450. So considering these two targets, from the current level, it has a potential to go to 39% higher and then to 60% higher, provided it takes out this important level of 22,500, which is an immediate resistance. Here it has taken a support. So this becomes a potentially very strong resistance. Whether it will take out this resistance or not, or even if it takes out, how long it will take to take out this resistance, these targets which have been projected is subject to the breakout of this important resistance level. Let us do the trend analysis. So on daily chart, the overall trend is bullish. Here too, there has been a massive impulsive wave, and then there was a complex correction called ABCD pattern. This is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. So it seems that the correction is over, and SMA 144 is likely to act as a good support area. So overall trend at least is bullish. Short-term trend, intermediate trend, long-term trend, all are bullish in Hang Seng Index. Now let us go and check the Indian stock market, that is Nifty 50. Now Nifty 50 in year 2024 has given a return of 13.97%, nearly 14%. So there has been a prior impulsive wave, and now this correction seems to be halted because the prior candle is a spinning top and there is a continuation. And current month candle, although the current month is not complete, it is looking bullish. So if I project the target on the basis of prior impulsive wave and considering the recent retracement, its next potential target comes at 28,500 to 28,600. So this index from current market level is likely to give a return of 15.7% in the coming year, and maybe another target, if it goes to 100% expansion level, that target comes at 32,100. It could have a potential return of 27 to 28% as well. Let us go to the daily price chart, do the trend analysis. So overall trend in this market is also bullish. There was a deeper correction in the recent time when the market corrected by around 10 to 11%, but took support at SMA 200 and 233, and now it seems that the correction is over and trend resumption is taking place. There is a breakout of a reversal chart pattern, left shoulder, head and a right shoulder. So this is a reversal chart pattern, inverse head and shoulder against the short-term downtrend move. So overall trend is looking bullish. Now let us move to the European markets. We'll first check the UKX. This is FTSE 100. Here what we can see, this index is has given a return of 7.3% in the year 2024. But there is a significant breakout of this very strong resistance area, and if we see this, this was the broader range. This was the multiple support here, support here. So it has taken out this important range. So if I project the target on the basis of this range breakout, the next potential target comes at 9,520, and then it has a potential to go to 10,800. So what could be the potential return in FTSE 100 or UK 100 index? So from the current market, the first target, it has a potential to give a return of around 14%, and the second target, it has a potential to give a return of 29%. Now let us do the trend analysis on daily price chart. Here what we can see overall trend is bullish. Price is currently trading above all critical moving averages, but this is a very important resistance area. Price has been rejected here, rejected here, rejected here. Real momentum will develop only when the price start trading above this critical resistance of 8,400. Any candle closing above 8,400 in UK 100 index will develop a upside potential and upside momentum in this index. Now let us go and check the another European market index, that is Stocks 50. This is a European zone index, and this index has given a return of 9.54% in the year 2024. Now there was a breakout here of a rounding pattern, and this was a major impulse. Now it seems that it has given a almost on the verge of giving a breakout of a bullish flag pattern. This is the bullish flag pattern which is emerging. However, it is yet to give a breakout, because if I draw the pattern, then you will be able to understand properly. Let me draw the pattern. I am drawing this pattern. So it is at the upper fiber. The moment it gives a breakout, approximately the moment price start trading above 5060, above 5060, then it will develop a upside momentum, and the next potential target based on this chart pattern could be to 5385, then 5863. So if I project the potential return from the current level, in the first target it could have given a return of 7.8%, and second target it might give a return of around 16%. Let us do the trend analysis in daily price chart. So here what we can see, the overall trend is bullish. As discussed in the larger time frame, this is the potential resistance area. Multiple price rejection can be seen. So unless and until the price start trading above this important level, upside momentum will not develop, and it will remain in a sideways movement till that time. If we summarize this analysis, all the top 10 markets in the world have given a positive return. The only thing is, US stock markets have outperformed rest of the stock markets in the world. If we tabulate and see here how the markets have performed, the top 3 indices that have given the highest return given is by Nasdaq 100, which has yielded a return of 29.44%. Next is S&P 500, which has given a return of 26.86% in 2024, and third best performing index is from Asia, Nikkei 225 index, which has yielded a return of 18.85%. Considering the overall market structure, we expect that 2025 will remain bullish world over. These are the targets which have been discussed on the basis of the recent chart formation or a wave analysis, and targets are minimum expected objective. So we will keep on reviewing the market world over on this channel. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and stay tuned for updates. Thank you very much for watching. Looking forward to meet you very soon.